couple travels across America in a white van. They vlog. They laugh. They look perfect on camera. But within weeks, only one of them comes home. And the search for Gabby Petito becomes the most watched disappearance in the world. Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie were young, adventurous, and obsessed with the van life lifestyle. Their social media painted a picture of harmony. But behind the filters, everything was falling apart. In June 2021, the couple left for a cross-country trip. From Utah to Wyoming, they camped, cooked, and filmed content. But friends noticed Gabby's tone changing in calls. She seemed anxious, nervous, not herself. On August 12th, police in Moab, Utah pulled them over after reports of a domestic dispute. Millions would later analyze this footage frame by frame. By late August, Gabby stopped replying to messages. Her last text seemed off. Her last Instagram post didn't look like her. Gabby's case changed how missing persons cases are handled and highlighted the power and danger of social media involvement.